touches them?
Oh, no, I don't touch them.
Yeah, he's good. It's a good one.
You gonna flip it?
Yes, please.
I got this one.
This one I didn't. Yes. Ooh, look at this spider. That's what you call it?
He's a fighter.
Ooh. That's a big one.
You see one.
Oh my god. He say no, not me. Not me. But this one fat.
Oh yeah.
This one too. This one, look at him. Oh, they're all decent size though. Okay guys, we're back home. These are the crabs that we got. I'm cleaning the crabs now. These are the crab leg. That's for a separate dish. We're gonna do boiled crab legs. And to clean, we add salt and use a toothbrush to get all in the creases to make sure it's nice and squeaky clean. This is the crab all cleaned and prepped for crab and rice. This is the crab fat that we'll be using also in the crab and rice. Let's do it. Okay, once your crab is clean, we're gonna go ahead and cut up some veggie. We have onion, sweet potato, and garlic. We're gonna cook it down in the pot with some oil. See, I add some thyme as well. Cook it down with some tomato paste. Once it's cooked down, then you're gonna go ahead and add that crab fat. And the crab fat, you get that from the crab belly and stuff like that. I didn't show the process of me cleaning the crab and getting the fat out. But once you cook the crab fat down, then you're gonna add some water and add the crab pieces to the pot. Then we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning this water. So I'm adding salt. I'm gonna add some complete powder as well as garlic powder. Add your red pepper flakes, or if you want to use your Scotch bonnet, you could go ahead and use that. Just season the pot as much as you can. I personally don't eat crab. I don't eat shell food at all, so I am just seasoning off, and like I really can't taste what I'm seasoning right now, and I didn't. I'm cooking this for her. She like crab and rice, and this is a part of her birthday dinner. And yes, definitely have to add browning as well. Can't forget that. You need the color and flavor. Once you season the pot, then we're gonna go ahead and add the rice to the pot and give it a stir. I also add half of the canned peas that comes in the coconut milk to this pot, and we cook it down just like we're cooking rice. This is the final result. Look how beautiful this is. Nice and rich, so crabby. He said it tastes awesome, flavorful, crabby, and just on point. And I'm glad it's on point because, as I said, I didn't taste it, but it came out perfect. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.